Hey guys, I'm at the garage. Working on the ATV. Getting the four-wheeler all ready. You guys probably all familiar with this tool. I checked all the air, and I guess the specs say all the tires are got to be about 10 pounds. I'm charging up the battery right now, and I just warmed it up just a minute ago, and but I got to give it a minute or two, and I'm going to crank it over, let it run for a minute or two. But other than that, this is a real short video, and I was going to put these pegs on, and I decided last week when I was here and I shot a video, I was going to put some brackets here, but I decided that I'm going to just tack weld so these could still flip up. I have a new plastic coming. This way my wife can still have her pegs, and it's not going to interfere with the plastic. And if I ever wanted to take them off, I just cut the weld and grind it, and good to go. So if you ask me on my video why I have a cut and where I put my foot, that is the reason why I have a cut in the plastic. I'm trying to make things a little easier for my wife, but if I decide not to put these pegs on, we decided that we've been riding the four-wheeler without these pegs, and it really doesn't bother her. So one way or another, it's not going to matter. But other than that, I'm going to put balloons on like some of the connections. I'm not sure if you guys realize that, on certain bikes, if the connections get wet, it could cause problems, like I'm going to put balloons, where things can't, like I'm going to zip tie this one's got a plastic already, but where me and my wife go, some of the trails are like nasty. I'm talking about nasty as they can be. And I just want to protect everything, so this way when we're out, we'll have no issues. And like I'm talking about, like on all the connections, if I don't do it this time, I can guarantee you the next time I'll have balloons on all my connections, and like where me and my wife go, we don't play around. We go out and we go wheeling. So that's the history on that, and I haven't started this up. I started it up one time through the winter when it was real cold, but now it's starting to come out to be good weather, and we got like very little bit of snow left, and I'm talking about like very little, and but like I said, she's alive, no doubt about it. Sound good, huh? He's just a little cold-blooded. Alright, well, I'm going to end this video, and I'm going to finish up what I'm doing, and I'm going to be posting this, and I have a couple other things that I'm going to be posting tonight. So please, definitely check them out. Give me your likes. Alright, and when I go out in the woods this week, I'm going to be posting some more videos of us being out in the woods. Definitely check them out. Alright?